Okay, nice aggressive momentum ni Xiaoyu, pero hindi. That's a win for Victor. Nice juggle. Corner. And we'll like also to thank our sponsor LG OLED Evo AI for providing us the gaming TV here at SuperCon for our qualifying tournament ng Tekken 8. Meron po ulit tayo bukas sa lahat na gusto sumali. Tekken 8, Street Fighter 6, Tekken 7, and many more retro games para kayo ay may qualify for our Battle of Champions this coming Saturday, December 28. One win each for both players. Nice. Tapos na ba ito? Oh, nakawala pa yung Xiaoyu. Pwede pa mag-comeback. Pwede pa to. Basa-basa. Basa-basa. Oh, nice block. Finish him. Mo pinaliktad pa, oh. Yan ang mga ating mga grand finalists, di ba? Yung akala mo eh, tapos na hindi pa pala. Nabaliktad pa. Nice, aggressive combo here by Victor. Pero kagaya ng ating nakita kanina, hindi natin masabi who will win because these are both our finest players batting out here at Tekken 8 Grand Finals here at SuperCon Festival Mall. Ano ba? Naku, mag-recover pa yan. Sabi ko na, nag-recover, oh. Naku po, nabalita. Nice trade. Nice trade. Okay, 2 runs for both characters. Grabe. That's it. Gets the match. Victor Bactanggol gets the match. Okay, let's see. Rematch. So, walang changes sa character. Still the main of Curry. Xiaoyu pa rin nilaban. With full power. It's Medyo the full power. And meron pa tayo ditong note, no? Because winner's final po si Curry, he is twice to beat. Meron po tayo ditong tinatawag na reset, no? So I believe na Smith just trying to get that reset. Nice. Pag mo na pa-recover, yun ako po, yun na naman. Ayan na naman. It's medyo on the comeback. No, hindi pumasok. Walang punish. Ayan na naman tayo. Ayan na naman, basahan. The pressure is on this Grand Finals match. Nice. Nice recovery by Xiaoyu. Op, nabawasan ang kanya recovery. Hindi na pala pinapa-recover ni Victor. Uy, grabe. Nice. Match point. 2 rounds na. What are the maximum damage combo that we're seeing here by Victor? Nice. Isa pa. Okay, yeah, sa next stage, medyo hinga ng konti kita sa Xiaoyu. Try to break the momentum. Muna. Okay, Xiaoyu, ang momentum. Let's see, may comeback na ba dito? Victor looking for the opening. 10 seconds, pasok pa yata. Nice! Bukas na lang sir, ulit po. Naka-6 lang po kasi mo ulit. No, hindi tumama. Oops, siyempre na naman. Nice. Xiaoyu. Nice pressure. Pero nakabawi na naman si Victor magtanggol. Nice. 18 seconds. Xiaoyu on the recovery. 13, 12, 10. Oh! Yeah, pasok. Nice. Xiaoyu gets the round. Na, 2 rounds match point na si Victor. Nice hit on the face. Oh, yun, bawi. Smash by Xiaoyu. Up, but with it. Take hit. Nice. Yun, huli. That's it. Reset. Okay, may chance pa. Mga sir, ating reset, ano na lang, first to 2, ma'am. Para tayo masarihan, kailangan natin makapag-awarding. First to 2 na lang sir, reset natin, first to 2. Nice. Pressure on the corner. Nako po. May comeback pa yata mangyayari. Yun na. Front kick by Xiaoyu. Nice. Hoy, hindi pa tapos, may recovery pa yan. Ayan na nga, nag-recover na nga. Hop, like hit. The break. Nice! Nice. Oh, nice read sa low doon, no? Pasok. Okay, napalitan ni Xiaoyu sa likod. Then, second round, 2-1 ni Xiaoyu. Let's see, sila makakaunang win. One kick on the face. Buhay pa. Yun na. So 2 rounds for each player. Ang lapit ng ating grand finals. Walang papatalo dito. Nice low. Corner. Nice recovery. Binalikan ulit ni Xiaoyu. Si Victor naman ang nasa corner. Ayan na naman tayo. Read. Ayan na. Huli. And that's the first win here for Edge Medio. Okay, yeah, go rematch. Let's go. What an aggressive start here by It's Medio. Xiaoyu returning the favor. Nice overhead. Nice back. Oh. Take hit break. Nice. First round goes to Xiaoyu. Combo. Nice. Ayan naman, aggressive start. Let's see. Mababalik ni Xiaoyu yung favor. Yun na, palabas ni Xiaoyu na. Siya naman, my turn. Up. Nice low by Xiaoyu. Nope, break na naman. Okay, that second round goes to Xiaoyu. Let's see if Xiaoyu can get this match to make it a 1-1 standing for both. Okay, 50% na. Victor Lamang. Pwede pa yan? Pwede pa yan? Oh? Ay, oh. Wala na. Yan. Okay. Nice. Okay, so yun the push. Getting the combo as much as they can. Combo on the corner. Yep, nice front kick na naman. Pressure, let's see. Hindi pa, nakabawi pa. Are we seeing a comeback? Na yun nga, na-comeback around by its video. Okay, match point. I think he will do it. Nako, yun na. Konti na lang. Nice. Nako, na-pressure din sa Xiaoyu. Sinaksak. Ayan na. And there we go. There we have it. That's the end of our tournament.